Hi family, bonjour tout le monde. Unjani, Sabunani, Dumelang, Jambo, to everyone out there. Soyez les bienvenus sur YouTube. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're new, my name is Valerie, a mom of 2 boys. My old subscriber, welcome back to the family. Donc batem si akala soyez les bienvenus sur YouTube. So zamu tasika comme on a ngiza Valerie. Naza maman na 2 garçons et les bébés. So mon vidéo is bien abonner, partager, like and comment. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please like, comment and share. Maybe it cannot be helpful to you, maybe to someone else can be helpful. So family, as I say, so today I just as you can see my title, how to live a low budget in South Africa, or how to live under budget in South Africa. Whatever that suits you, you just choose. Donc dès que vous avez un titre en anglais, les zaka que comment que vivre vie à moins cher en Afrique d'ici, ou vivre vie mo ozo bomba, à part ko bomba, hein, ba na yo bazolata. Takos yo moko koloba kute. So like as you guys, you know, you can still live a very good life in South Africa. You can also live a very good life in South Africa, having everything. Your kids still looking good, yourself still looking good, and you're still saving some money. You don't have no credit, you don't own anyone. You don't have no credit, but when you're out there, people think like, you know, you got it under control. So let's go straight to the video. Number 1, I don't like credit. I don't take credit at all. Probably one thing that I can do, I do lay-by, because most of shop now they're giving lay-by, but credit I don't. If that, I just don't like credit at all. So guys, it's like, now look at this jean. The normal price of this jean is like $249.95. Okay, why some people can say Edgar's is expensive? Yes, Edgar's is expensive, but when you go to Alchemist, I don't know about Jet, but when you go to Alchemist, they do have jean also for this price for the kids. So I feel like Alchemist becomes so expensive, Jet becomes so expensive. Woolits, you don't even talk about it. The good thing that I love about Woolits during sale, when they have their sale, when they have the 65% or 75 or 85%, whatever that percent they have, it's become so cheap that it was in the time that I bought my boys boots for 95 rand and so forth. So I love buying. Also, beside me love buying, I like my kids to look so beautiful, and that's where I don't, you know, some people can think like I just finished my husband money to buy clothes, but it's not the case. I just save, I take my time to save, and when I see a sale, I run quickly, I go buy, because I want my kids to look good. So I'm gonna show you guys what I bought in Edgar's during sale. Edgar's, they do have 2 types of sale. Okay, the one that I know. So guys, so Edgar's, they do have 2 types of sale that I know. They have those just a normal sale, like just a sale, and then they have like markdown. They call it what? Markdown? Yeah, markdown price, something like that. Where the price that you see, let's say right now this jean in sale was 244 rand 99 cents. So divided by 2. So I bought this jean 120 for Cleval. They didn't have jean, so I was saving to buy them jean. They didn't have jean. All the jean that Cleval have, I bought it from Zara. If you, I'll put a link for my old video that since then those jean until today Cleval is still wearing it. It's more for him now. It's Kalian. So I was like, this is the time for me to buy my boys jean. So I did save for the jean. This is the jean that I bought them. Okay, this one was 100 rand. It was 100 rand. I bought this jean for Cleval. Okay, Cleval and Kalian, so I can't really show it, but look at this one. Kalian is the way he wear this like twice, and I washed it already. I bought this one 50 rand for Kalian. It was so nice. I feel like the color went a little bit off. Yeah, but you know, jean doesn't matter. So I got this 50 rand in Edgar's. So I got this for Kalian. I got it 100 rand in Edgar's as well. This one I didn't get it in the markdown price. You know those like markdown that I talk about, like sale 50% of the sale price. So I got this one, it was a normal sale, that's for 100 rand. So meaning if it was in markdown, I could have get it for 50 rand. So I got this one is for Kilian. Okay, you guys get, did you buy your boys big clothes? Yes, I do buy my boys big clothes because I feel like I don't like buying them something that's after 6 months gonna be small. So I like buying them like 1 year. Let's say now Kilian is 1 year, I buy Kilian clothes for 2 to 3. Clival is 3 years, I buy Clival clothes 4 to 5 or 5 to 6. Some of his clothes looks big, looks like a dress, but it stops. Okay, so this is for Kilian. Imagine how big is this pen. This is for Kilian. It's just 1 year. So this is the jeans. Okay, I bought quite a lot of jeans. So yeah, I bought a lot of jeans for them. And then yeah, I think, okay, this is for Clival. Yeah, this is Clival jean. How much I got this? Yeah, so this one also I got it 109 and 122 rand a cents. So that's the jeans. And then we come for the slippers. I like buying them 2 pair because I just want them. They're twin, they're not twin, but I just like them to look the same. So I got them this one for 50 rand. The normal price, it was, okay, the normal price was 159.95 cents, and then you went to sell 100 rand, and then I got it for 50 rand. I got this 50 rand, this 50 rand, like 102 shoes. But I'm thinking about going to change the sizes. Okay guys, hey vlog. Okay, I can't show you like all the clothes, like whatever that I'm showing is one because I bought for Kilian and Cliva the same. I got this sheet. I always want this sheet. I always like this sheet for me or for the kids or for my husband to wear it in Christmas or something. So I'm trying to find, I'm gonna go to H&M to find this for myself. I got this one for Cliva and it was 50 rand. Yeah, it was 50 rand. I got this for 50 rand. I got it too. I got this one for Clival. The normal price was 129.99 cents. So half of that is like 100 and I got it for 65 rand if I'm not mistaken. I got it for 65 rand. Yes, it's expensive. No, it's not expensive because this type of clothes get to be expensive because of it's Spider-Man and stuff. And then this is they can wait next winter, not this winter. So that's what so when it's winter, I like buying clothes for summer when they put in sale. When it's summer, I like buying winter clothes. Like right now, most shop they having those winter clothes in sale. Please rush quickly to go check. Yeah, so I get this was an expensive one. It was 150, but half of 150 was 75, and this I got it for Clival as well. And then this one, I think this one was the same price with this, with the red one. I got it for 65 rand. So I got this. Okay, I just feel like, okay, also this one, this was how much? Okay, this was 50 rand. This was 50 rand. I got 2 Clival and Kilian. Yes, for Kilian. Yeah, I think I bought 2 Clival and Kilian. So a long sleeve. Oh, you know, I feel like most of my boys clothes, okay, that's what I noticed, like my boys, they got a lot of short sleeve, and they don't have long sleeve. Sometimes you just want to put them some long sleeve and they just put it like that when it's a little bit chilly, but then you just have to put jacket because you don't have long sleeve. So I was like, this winter I'm gonna just save money. I'm just going to watch out the sale for 8 guys so that I can, you know, get those good deals. So I got this one. It was 100 rand in sale. I got it for 50 rand. I also got this one 50 rand, and I got it 4 to 5. As I say, I like buying my clothes big clothes. I like buying my boys big clothes. So I got this 4 to 5. This is 3 to 4. This is for Kilian. Do you see this long sleeve? I got like a lot of long sleeve. I only got long sleeve. I got this, and then this one. Okay, this one I got it 35 rand. I got this for 35 rand. I got this one for 50 rand. I got 2 50 rand. I got 2 Clival and Kilian. And as I say, this one for Clival, I got Clival 7 to 8. So the first one was for Kilian. So meaning it's way big. Wow, I got 7 to 8. I think I make a mistake. I think I make a mistake. Normally I'm supposed to go 6 to 7. I make a mistake. Okay, I'm gonna go change it. Yeah. So this is for, yeah, this is for Cleval 4 to 5. Yeah, as I say for Cleval, this is for Cleval also. I got it for 5 to 6. Yeah, this is for Killian. And myself, I got myself the shoes. This is a very beautiful pair of shoes. I got this one, these beautiful shoes for myself. I got it for 50 rand. It was 100 rand, and then I got it for 50 rand. And then I got myself a beautiful pajama. I love pajamas. I have a lot of pajamas. I think I have even more than 20 pair of pajamas. Yes, the shorts, the what. I love pajamas. So this is my pajama. I got this one for 50 rand. This was 50 rand. So my Lingala people, nasumbi 50 rand, guys. Do yang wane ba mambo kenda ka bo cheka na sel. On so sombelo na prix normal. O so mango cher. Do toujours faut checker so sel les ali. So sel les o mona Edgar ya za sel moi kitoko. So lo mona bani o ezaki 100 rand. Asi su 4 ya 100 rand. Donc Tala no elamba o na sombeli Cleval elamba o 50 rand. 50 rand capable. 50 rand. Na sombe moi pams na pams na sombe o 50 rand. Oh, na sombi yango 50 rand. 50 rand. Ba nanga na sombi la bango bilamba juste te. Yango no mona bana mususu elambe kimi mama banga kimi ba ona chapeau. Mo so kimi mamba ko somba bilamba juste mon kata mukuse o dépenser cher. Quels sont 8 ans na yo o family. Yeah, as I was saying. Donc au monde que chaque fois ba no bazan bilamba ka so dépenser cher te. Bato ba ebite ba okasa ke o dépenser ko somba bilamba. Nga cause na za même si na 8 ans na o bomba moi 50 moi 100 moi 30 moi 20. Ti fin de l'année bimisi boyem so sali moi 2000. Au moins moi 1000 otali ai lo ni nazangi pona bana na sombi lo ni nazangi na ndako na sombi. That's how life is, you know. But bol la fait ici vie za cher but okoki ko vivre la vie, okoki ko vivre la vie mo tokos bien under budget ndena lo do ko vivre la vie moins cher o dépenser belete que ozana nyonso o lingi do nyonso vie za mbongo te vie za pa organisation. So guys, as I say, you know, you can still South Africa life is expensive. Yes, it is expensive right now. Things are very expensive, you know. Even as we go to Pep to buy our decoration stuff, oh, we watching this, the things are very expensive. Everything's increased, it went up. But then for you, the time for you to save is just during sale time. And you must know, not everything in sale you must buy. Some sale is not really a sale. Like you have to see, like I like, you know, sell things like when it's more than 200, I'm not buying. Okay, besides duvet, maybe a shoes for my husband, or maybe my shoes. But when it comes to kids clothes, the shoes that I see is more than 200 or more than 100 or more than 200 or more than 300, I'm not buying. Right now I just put myself like my kids shoes must be not more than 200. So during sale, but brand like Nike and stuff, so you know. Also Nike, I want to buy Cleval and Killian shoes in Nike, but I want to watch their sale until Black Friday. But I'm already saving money for their shoes. So during Black Friday, I'm gonna go quickly Nike to check if they have sale. If they don't have sale, I'll wait for Christmas. That's the time that you should take the opportunity of buying. So that's what I do. I live my life under budget in South Africa. Life is expensive in South Africa, but I try not to feel that on my chest. And then thank you so much guys for watching. You can see how much the clothes that I spent. Like the clothes, I did not spend more than 1,000 in these clothes that I bought for my kids, and the jean also. So all this I did not spend more than 2,000. Did I buy it on the same time? No, I did not buy the jean. I bought it at a time and then I saved it. I didn't show you guys, and then now I bought the clothes and then I'm showing you guys all together. But if you don't know, you think like I bought it once. I did not buy it that once, and I don't have that so much money to spend to buy once. Like my room, I want to do the home makeover in my next video. Not next video of this, like the video to come. But then I'm collecting cheaper thing a little bit, and then I'll do once. That's what I do. So if you feel like you enjoy what you see, you feel like you enjoy my journey, please subscribe, like and comment, and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.